So now I'm going to briefly cover the Ghawazi Shimmy, which is a variation of 3/4 on the up. So Ghawazi Shimmy is up, but it's got a little bit of a side swing feeling to it. So where 3/4 on the up, at least with Tribal Fusion, with Datura, it goes across the midline to the other side. But this one goes out to the side a little bit with a little bit of a glute squeeze at the end of it so you don't push too far out to the side. So the feet are going to be a tiny bit wider, not wider than hip distance, but about hip distance. And we're just going to let the arms relax for the intro here, and we're just going to swing to one side and swing to the other side. Swing. So it's still a little bit of a lift at the end, but it's not as much in toward the body as it is out to the side. So since you know 3/4 shimmy already, we're not going to do too much detail about that. We're just going to do a little warm up. So after this left side, we're going to go right, left, right, staying on the right foot. Now shift the weight, left, right, left, to the right, left, right, and keep the pelvis neutral, left, right, left. Ribs are up, right, up, down, left, up, down. One more on each side, the speed, right, up, down, left, right, up. Now we're gonna go twice this fast. So right, left, 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 right, all the way to the left. Now while we're going this speed, bring your attention to your posture, and your ribs are lifted, and your upper back is flattened a little bit. So the curve isn't reversed, it's just long. Side ribs are also lifted so the waist is long. And we're gonna bring the hands turned up toward the ceiling, shoulder height, elbows are a little bit soft. After this left side, we're gonna double it. Left, right, left. Here we go. And right, left, right, left, right, left. So this is almost full speed. Now we're gonna bring the foot completely off the floor and double and right, left, right, left. And you see there's a little bit of a swing in the hips. It's nice and big. Ribs are lifted, shoulders relaxed, arms nice and high. Make sure the arms are open, not way back here, but you're not closed either. They're open to the sides and slightly forward. Okay. All right, that's the Ghawazi Shimmy.